Hi guys, welcome back. So, story time. Well, I make slime on how I almost have to get stitches. Alright, let's go. What? This? And don't mind my glasses. These are real. I just keep forgetting to wear them because they're brand new. I think she dropped. Oop. I'm just gonna wait. Oh my gosh, there we go. Alright, so number one, it was just at nighttime, and it was at morning, and my friends at school said you should cut open a slap band because there was a ruler inside of them, and I was like, yeah, sure. And then I was like, my little self wanted to try it because I don't know why, but it was stupid to try it because they probably saw it off like YouTube shorts, but I did. Big mistake. Okay, so once I did, I didn't like know what was actually gonna be inside. Bro, I'm not using the spoon for this anymore. Let's just say it wasn't a ruler. Number one, was not a freaking ruler. It was some freaking metal thing, and I was like, what? I was like, why isn't there a ruler? So I accidentally touched the freaking metal thing, and then my hand started like, it went deep in my skin, and my hand started freaking bleeding, and I was like, what the freak? So I went to the sink, and I was like crying, but I went to the sink, and I was like if I took it out of the sink for 1 second, it would like start bleeding super quickly, and I was like, bro, what the freak? So obviously I ran to the sink, like I said, and then my brother comes in, and then he comes running in, and he's like, what's going on? Because he hears me crying most likely. And I'm like, I show him my hand, and I take it out of the water, and I show him, and he's like, oh my gosh. And then he goes downstairs and gets our parents, and then they come upstairs, and then they help me, and, like, all through the night, it, like, just, I had to put, like, 3 bandages on, no, like, 5, actually, and it was, like, bandage, a bandage, a bandage, a bandage, a bandage, and it was, like, chaotic and stuff, and I was like, and my mom said I may have to get stitches, and I was like, no, I do not want stitches. Like, so I was like really scared and stuff. So she told me if it feels like it's bleeding, call me. And then she went back downstairs, and then she came up in the middle of the night. Well, no, she came up because I called her, and it was like, she was like, we may have to go to the hospital and get stitches. And I was like, what? No. Because, like, what girl like casually wants to get freaking stitches? Like, that's not normal. So, and I was just like, no, I'm not getting stitches. So, the other night, I was just like, I finally fell asleep after a while. And yeah. It was really creepy though. Okay, 1 sec. But that is all for that story, but so I'm still making my slime though. Because I haven't finished activating it. Because I freaking didn't want to activate it. Don't judge. Listen and we watch and we don't judge. How about that? That's better for me. Okay, mix this in. It's not ready though. Like some of it is a little bit, but no. That is not ready. Let me get some more paper towel. Don't ask why I took that much. I'm just gonna use one. get this spoon out of here because it's clearly not working now. If this fails, I'm gonna be so freaking mad. Like, I swear. So, I guess I'm just gonna like talk about the slime now. Yeah. Because that story was low-key short. So, yeah. He liked it and he wiped it out. Okay, it still needs to have some more activator. Okay, I can't open it. I don't get it, why it's like not working. Okay, all this didn't work. Bro, I'm gonna finish out. Now it's just like a big ball, so I'm gonna sadly throw it up and set away. Look. We still have some more glue left on this though. And I have another bottle, so it's okay. Bruh. Okay, wait for like all of that to go. Like, so I'm gonna put it on this thing, little stand. Putting it on this little stand so it could like go fast. I'm gonna use some of this. Okay, there. Don't use all of it now. I don't want it to fail like last time. Okay, that should be enough. The bacon. Bacon. I love bacon. I'll mix this up a little bit. Like that. Nobody saw that. I want it to be like, you know. And adding glitter. Glitter. Not me using it with my elbow. Run to meet him. Run to meet him. Run to meet him. run to me, confess your love, at least just confess your love, at least just say, confess your love, confess your love, at least just say. Okay. I can finally open it. Get to know. Okay, it seems like my slime is sliming the right way. Yep. Clap! To the king of bones, I say clock it. If this slime for real doesn't work, I am going to crash the freak out. Okay, it worked. Finally. On October 3rd, he asked me what day it was. Y'all, make sure to go use that like one sound that was like on October 3rd. He asked me what day it was, because it's October 3rd. Don't know if y'all know, but there's a reminder. Probably your 5th reminder today, and you still haven't used it. Stick if you haven't used it. This is the only day, and then you have to wait another year. I don't know if you all could hear it. So high. So good. I think I know what we need. Y'all can already sense it, but I know what we. Let me go through this. Barb. 3. Here we go. 2, 1. I'm talking about, Eli. I can't get those 2 songs out of my head. Whoa! Can't get these songs out of my head, but my mom. The Wiggles, do y'all know who they are? The little kids show. My brother, my baby brother watches it, and I can't get it out of my head now. Hand out. I don't know if y'all can hear it in the background. Bow, you do the hokey pokey, and you turn around. That's what it's all about. Stretch. Okay, this slime, I love it. Ow. Yo, can somebody please tell me where to get this brand, DALSE? I I use it for slime, but their stuff is so good in general. I've had one of their, like, perfumes, and it smells so good, I tell you. Can somebody please tell me where to get it? Like, let me know. What a freak. Okay, there. Woggly wiggly. Okay, I'm gonna add some more. This brand is legit so good though, y'all. If anybody knows, let me know. Are you ready? Yeah, shaving cream inside. 1, 2, 3. Stop it. I love how shaving cream deactivates it, and then at the same time makes it, like, it doesn't really deactivate it, but it makes it look like piss. And then once it gets all back together, it's so nice and fluffy. Good. Floppy. I'm gonna add some more glitter. Just a little bit. Totally. Y'all, I'm adding so little. Like, I know, right? I'm saving. I didn't lie. I barely added any glitter. Not me stuttering. Like, glitter. Yeah. You put 2 hands in, you put 2 hands out. 2 hands in, and shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn around. That's what it's all about. Wait, y'all. Big bang, day. Ho, hallelujah. Ho, hallelujah. Ho, hallelujah. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Ho, hallelujah. Ho. Okay, y'all, I have this like mushroom container, but don't know where the top for it is, so I'm gonna make it a mushroom. What's your name, KOV? So they calling you Bob? Stop playing. Yeah, you do know that I'm known for the Bob. Yeah. What's your name, KOV? So they calling us Bobs. No, for real, I love this. Alright, y'all. I guess that is legit all for today. Thank you for tuning in, and bye.